Black flag insect fogger instructions. Do you like to entertain outdoors, but you hate the mosquitoes and no-see-ums? You can put an end to annoying bug bites while enjoying an evening out on your deck with friends with nothing more than a can of black flag insect fogger and a little know-how. Things you'll need. Black flag insect fogger. Prepare the area to be sprayed and remove all food items. You need to cover all surfaces that will be used for food, such as tables or grills. If covering those areas is not possible, be sure to wash them thoroughly before using them for food. Plants intended for food, such as potted herbs or vegetables, also need to be removed. Any fountains, bird baths or standing water must also be covered or removed. Start with the hard surfaces. Spray all cracks and crevices only. The manufacturers of Black Flag insect fogger say treating the cracks and crevices is all that is needed to control insects in hard surface areas. Treat the furniture. Carefully spray the underside of tables and chairs. Soaking the furniture is not recommended. Before spraying fabrics, test the insecticide on a small, inconspicuous area, just in case it discolors the fabric. Treat the lawn and foliage. Mosquitoes like to hide during the day. Spray the lawn, shrubs and bushes liberally, pressing down on the fogger once every 3 to 4 seconds. Be sure to spray underneath bushes in dark, damp areas. Avoid overspraying and creating puddles of insecticide in your yard. Allow to dry. The spray should be dried before using the area. The manufacturer says drying takes about 10 minutes. You need to leave the area while it dries. Tips warnings. Don't water the area after treatment as it will dilute the insecticide and minimize its effects. The area will need to be retreated if it rains after spraying. Insecticides can be harmful to humans. To minimize risks, avoid spraying when wind conditions will cause overspray. Avoid contact with your skin, eyes and clothing. Remove and wash clothing after spraying. Wash hands thoroughly after use. Do not use this product on animals. It is also toxic to fish. Don't use it near an open flame.